Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a while since I've been able to get out on the water with all these storms. Actually got a hurricane hitting right now as we speak, so I have a house full of kids, and the wife and family members are all here. So I decided to come into my bedroom and do a little video on a new knot I learned. I give credit where credit's due. Salt Strong, YouTube channel Salt Strong, showed me this knot. I normally use the uni knot, but in this video I'm going to teach you what they taught me is the FG knot. Super thin knot, way stronger than the uni knot. And me and my shepherd Gabby are gonna teach you the FG knot. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll get this going. Okay, as you can see, I have the uni knot here on the bottom and the new knot, the FG knot, on the top. It's very slim. I don't know how good you can see it. It's very slim, where the uni knot is bulky. Now what the FG knot does is your braid literally wraps around your mono, and the mono just stays straight, and the braid wraps around the mono and cinches down. There's more tension that's put on it, the stronger this knot gets. It's a really, really strong knot. And again, I'd like to thank Salt Strong for showing me this knot. So without further ado, we're gonna get to this video. Okay, now for this knot to actually work properly, you need tension on your braid line. And on the boat, to do this, you normally have one end, you know, is hooked to your rod, coming out of your rod tip, and then the other end, you let your rod fall. You can see the line there. You let the rod fall, and gravity will keep it tight. And put the other end in your mouth to hold tension on it. But for the sake of this video, I just got the rod tip over here leaning on my bag. See how it's slightly bent? And then it comes over here, and I just got a jig head hooked to it and hooked to the tackle bag just to keep it straight. So what we're gonna do here is you lay your monofilament, your tag into your monofilament over the top of your braid, and then you just gotta come around to the left under it and then back over it. Pull it up straight, tight. That's one. Then you come the other way. Go under it. Pull it back up straight. Now you're going to do this 20 to 22 times. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now at this point you can release the tension. Now you take the line right here that's going, your braid is going to the pole, and your tag end, and you want to make a simple hitch knot. Just go over, under, and draw that tight. Okay, we're going to do one more. Do two hitch knots over the end of the tag and your braid. And now at this point, you can cut, off the tag end of your monoline. Get it close as you can without nicking the braid line. Draw it nice and tight. Now you'll have a little bit that is right there that can catch on the pole. So what Salt Strong said is do 2 more hitch knots after you do that, and it'll cover that little bit of line that's sticking out. So there's 1. 2. Now you can cut the tag end off your braid. Grab both lines, pull them tight, and that's a super skinny FG knot. Super strong. I recommend going to Salt Strong, YouTube channel Salt Strong. They did a strength test between the uni knot and the FG knot, and the FG knot won hands down. So if you'd like to see that, visit Salt Strong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, visit Salt Strong. Highly recommend that channel. I watch them all the time. Great guys, very informative channel, and I'll see you on the next video.